What if you could cut unplanned downtime beyond expectations? If it just took seconds to get from asset problems to root causes, and condition monitoring could be scheduled instantly by the engineers themselves? With Visplore, all this couldn't be easier. Assume you discover a problem with an asset, like a valve or a pump. Load several months of asset operation data into Visplore, directly from your historian or IoT database. Mark up some normal operation and the problem period, and let Visplore compare the periods to each other. Visplore shows instantly which sensors have changed their characteristics. Outside temperature changed, but the engineer knows that's not an explanation. But some correlations also change significantly. Are there anomalies or signs of underperformance? Visplore makes these changes visible at a glance, so you can take action with confidence based on real insights. And in the future, get proactive alerts before issues repeat. Visplore captures good asset operation easily and suggests operating regions for monitoring. For defining robust alerts in a few clicks. Designed for engineers. No programming, no black box, no need for data science skills. This way, Visplore becomes your watchdog for all assets that matter to you. Whenever an asset goes out of bounds for too long, operators get notified immediately so that they take informed actions right from their inbox. Or dive into Visplore for more answers. Customers all over the world empower their staff with Visplore. For more informed actions, less stress for IT, and less downtime. Let's talk. See how Visplore boosts asset awareness and put it to the test with your own data